Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and we have the all new Infinix Hot 6 Pro with us today. This has been launched in the budget segment category under sub 8K. So this is the box, and these are some of the highlights of the phone. 18:9 aspect ratio, dual camera, so you get a dual camera in a super budget category. At the same time you get Qualcomm Snapdragon, a big 4000 mAh battery, 4G LTE and Face ID as well. So these are all good features. This phone is loaded with specs, and the MRP on the box is 8,999, although the launch price is 7,999. So we have the Sandstone black version right now. Let's just unbox this. So this is 3GB plus 32GB variant, and there's only one variant in this one. And on the top, as we open the box, we get the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. Again, the same specs written here. We'll come back to the phone in a while. Let's see what's in the box first. So in the box we get this TPU protective case, which is a blackish grayish tinted TPU case, and it looks quite good. And in this affordable category you get a case which is a nice feature. Then you get this micro USB cable, and the cable I'm liking. I like this flat cable. So this is a 5 volt 1.2 ampere charging adapter. Then this is some paperwork, warranty card and user guide. Also there is this protective cover for the display and the SIM tray pin. So these are the contents in the box. Let's come to the phone and check the specs. If you check the back, so here it's written that there is a dedicated SD card slot as well as a dual nano SIM card type. So it's a non-hybrid SIM card type. This is a matte finish phone, and currently it's the Sandstone black version. We have the red and gold also available. So here we have the earpiece and the 5 megapixel front camera sensor, the proximity sensor, along with a soft light flash. So here we get a 5.99 inches HD plus 18:9 full vision display with around 83.4% of screen to body ratio. The bezels are slim from the sides, although these bezels are a little thick. The top and the bottom bezels are a little thick. And the screen resolution is 720 by 1440 pixels. At the back we have a dual camera setup, so that's a very good feature that in such pricing you're getting a dual camera setup. And the specs are 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel LED flash, dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor. This is how the display looks like. Quite bright and sharp colors, you can see, and viewing angles are also decent. Phone is not at all heavy in hand, although it has a good battery, 4000 mAh battery, but the weight is 158 grams, which is decent as per the battery is concerned. Let's run through the settings. So if you go to about phone, the phone runs on XOS 3.2, which is based on Android Oreo. So in a fresh phone, so in a phone we have just set up, we have not installed any apps right now. So it comes with a 8.25 GB is already used, and 30 out of 32 GB. And in the RAM 1.2 GB is used out of 3 GB. This is quite decent. So let's check the apps which are already installed. So you get this WhatsApp and Facebook, which is already installed in a new device. And this is the face unlock feature. So in this price point you get a face unlock feature that's very good. And some of the apps like X Club and the other Android Google apps are obviously there. The best thing about this phone is that it comes with the ultimate video watching experience. So you can and it's good for reading and browsing as well because it has a massive screen. Also the highlight of this phone is the loud audio. So the back camera is a 13 megapixel shooter with f2.0, and so the secondary sensor is a depth sensing sensor with 2 megapixel. You can shoot a decent portrait. You can shoot decent portrait pictures with it. It has PDAF as well. Along with that, there are all the important modes you get here. You get the portrait mode, HDR, beauty, panorama, night mode, time lapse, and the pro mode. Everything is present, and it has soft LED flash, screen flash. Also you can take a bouquet shots with the live focus. So this is about the Infinix Hot 6 Pro. So you can of course check out this phone if you are looking out for under 8,000 smartphone. It is quite good because it has a good processor, battery life, and big screen as well. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.